Frescas is a term which is used to represent the various delivery methods of applications and desktops in Citrix. Delivery methods are usually selected based on the following consideration: execution and management, either local execution and central management or central execution and central management. Operating system, type of operating system, be it server OS or desktop OS, and more specifically either Windows OS or Linux OS. Hardware, either server hardware or client hardware. Machine state, either persistent or non-persistent. Let us look at the different options in desktop delivery. Server-based hosted desktops. It is known earlier as hosted shared desktops. This is nothing but a published Synapse server desktop, which could be Windows or Linux OS. Multiple users can access this desktop at the same time based on computing and memory power of the server. This is a perfect example for centralized execution and management. Next one is VDI desktops. It is a virtual desktop consisting of desktop operating system, either Linux or Windows. OS can be delivered using MCS or PVS. And also we can create persistent and non-persistent state virtual desktops. VDI with personal VDIs provides maximum user personalization with the storage optimization and administration efficiencies. Next one is server VDI. It is a Windows virtual desktop from a server operating system for a single user. We can make server OS looks like a Windows 7 OS using enhanced desktop experience Citrix policy setting. Next one is physical hosted desktops like Blade PCs. It enables high performance physical desktops to be remotely accessible and also securely protected in the data center for optimal data protection. It is more beneficial for graphic intensive applications. Next one is remote PCs. So remote PCs access allows an end user to log on remotely to the physical Windows PC in the office from anywhere on any devices. Even we can power on remote PCs using Wake on LAN features. Next one is local VM. It is a virtual desktop which is running directly on client machine. We can implement this using following three methods. Number one, we can run Windows Desktop OS directly on client machine using ZenClient product. And two, we can run Windows Desktop OS on Mac operating system using Desktop Player for Mac. And third one is we can run Windows Desktop OS on another Windows client machine using Desktop Player for Windows. Now let us look at the options for applications. Server-based hosted apps. These are apps published from server operating system using XenApp, either Windows or Linux. It is scalable within data center and this is the most cost-effective application delivery method. It is managed centrally, which implies user will not be able to change anything on application configuration. Next one is VM hosted apps. In this option, application installed in virtual desktop master images, that is VDI master images, either Linux or Windows. Application and desktops on the master image are securely managed, hosted and run on machines within the data center. Next one is web or SaaS based applications. So web or SaaS based applications can be published using Citrix Secure Browser. Secure Browser is a virtual browser to deliver secure remote access to web and SaaS application with zero endpoint configuration. It is compatible with any browser applications. It has a capability of being accessed remotely and transparently without VPN and also limits the common security risk of a web application. It can be deployed on-premise or cloud. Next one is streamed applications. It means directly stream the applications to virtual desktops, either server or desktop operating system using Microsoft AppV integration kit.